What do you want me to do? Dress and drag and do the hula?
Wow! If you're hungry for a hunk of fat, juicy meat, eat my buddy Bumble here because the end of the treat. Coming down the line, on a Stacy's swine, all you have to do is get in line. Ah, you aching?
Yup.
For some bacon?
Yup.
He's a big pig.
Yup.
You can be a big pig too.